So in this video, I'll be showing how you can actually edit the menu of your website. So this is what you'll see whenever you log into the backend of your WordPress dashboard. So let's go back to the home page here. As you can see, I purposely leave it out so you can see the difference when we've already added in the menu. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the back end here. So how we can actually add your pages to the menu is by going to the appearance and then going to menu. And then as you can see, I've already created the main menu here, and then but I don't have any pages here. So how do I add it in is by pressing on view all, press on home, about, and then services. Okay, so these are the pages I've already created, but it's not appearing on the menu of my website. So I will add it in, and then as you can see, it's already appearing here. As you can see, for the home page, it shows front page. Okay, then after that, I want to go and save it. So after I've saved it, it should actually appear on the home page. So let's get back to the website, homepage. You can see the home, about, services page is here, and then it goes to the separate pages. So you can actually do this too. Let's say you have in the future you want to add more and more pages, you can just do the same method.